Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Capgemini 24-25 hiring process. In the particular video, we will discuss about Capgemini all roles and exam process, on and off campus hiring process. The salary is in between 4.25 LPA, 5.75 LPA to 7.5 LPA. Like and share the video. One of the most important point in the all top MNC hiring process series, we already completed two video. First is Accenture, second is TCS, now third is Capgemini. Okay, so one of the most important point in the Capgemini latest 2025 batch hiring, we already provided lot of videos for all of you that is related to free preparation. Okay, let's discuss about the 2024-2025 hiring process that is from Capgemini. So first of all, selection of candidate. This is 3 weeks ago. Brother got placement in Capgemini 5.75 LPA, that is a analyst star. Thanks a lot for this video, really helpful to understand ZOR, OR and operator and type of question. We already shared the free preparation resources on our channel. So candidates are getting candidates are checking the videos, they are practicing questions and they are cracking the examination. Okay. 2 years ago, same we followed. I got selected in Capgemini. I got selected Accenture Capgemini. Hello bro, I got selected in Wipro Cognizant in Capgemini because of your guidance. Thank you bro for guiding us. So we are sharing the free preparation videos so you can also prepare. So there are two type of hiring in the Capgemini, as we know that. First is off campus hiring and second is on campus hiring. If I'm talking about the off campus hiring, so there is a superset mass hiring, that is a analyst hiring, network engineer hiring and software engineer exceller hiring. On campus hirings are generally of two type, analyst and senior analyst hiring. So analyst 4 LPA, off campus, okay, on campus is also 4 LPA or 4.25, senior analyst 6 to 7, software engineer 4 LPA, network engineer 4.25 LPA. If I'm talking about the batch hiring status, so 21-22 all hirings are completed. 23 batch superset analyst hiring is still not announced, that is one of the mass hiring. Okay, Capgemini hire, but most probably they are hiring women candidates this year. Actually, the main superset analyst mass hiring is still not announced. 24 batch on campus hiring completed, network engineer hiring completed, software engineer diversity hiring announced. Okay, still network engineer is also for women candidate, software engineer diversity is also for women candidate. 25 batch on campus is announced, still we are waiting for off campus. So the thing is, if I'm talking about Capgemini, so if you are from 23, if you are from 24, if you are from 25 batch, your off campus hiring is still remaining, that is one of the mass hiring, that is an analyst hiring. Okay, that is of package of 4 LPA or 4.4 LPA or 4.25 LPA, that is one of the exceller hiring for like superset mass hiring, but it is still not announced due to recession. Okay, as we know that. If I'm talking about the off-campus hiring, so this year Capgemini announced the Aeronautical Capgemini Exceller 23-24 off-campus and application deadline is today. If you are from Aeronautical, you can apply. Network engineer hire 4 LPA 4.25 lakh. This is for 2024 batch. Okay, it is also off-campus, but the thing is, it is for women candidates. Okay. MCA Capgemini Engineering MCA 22 pool all branches. This is called the one of the biggest. This is actual mass hiring. Okay, analyst mass hiring in which everyone is eligible. Last it is posted in the 2022 year, after that it is not posted. That's why I mentioned that for 23, for 24, for 25 batch we are still waiting for this one of the exceller mass hiring. Okay, so I am requesting from Capgemini team, please announced the hiring according to the timelines, so it will very helpful for all candidates. If I'm talking about the Capgemini Exceller 23 to 24, so it is a 24 batch hiring in the 15th August. The thing is, it is for women candidates and only 24 batch is eligible. Okay, so this is the on-campus hiring process. If I'm talking about what is the recent on-campus hiring conducted, it is for 25 batch. BE, BTech, ME, MTech can apply, MCA, MSc. Analyst 4.25 lakh, analyst star 5.75 lakh, and senior analyst 7.5 lakh. Okay, that's why I mentioned in the thumbnail you have analyst opportunity of 4.25 LPA, analyst star opportunity of 5.75 LPA, and senior analyst opportunity of 7.5 LPA. Most probably in the on campus you have three types of hiring. Okay, and one of the candidate, he is selected from our channel for the analyst star role, that is of 5.75 LPA. Okay guys, so if I'm talking about the Capgemini hiring process, so this is the most followed hiring process in the off campus. First is your technical test, in which technical MCQ will be there, 40 question and 40 minutes of time will be there. Written English test, that is a essay. Okay, game based aptitude test, 4 games out of 24, 25 to 30 minutes. Behavioral competency test, it will totally depends on them. Okay, and spoken English totally depends on them, in which read, write, listen. Okay, this type of question will be asked. And coding is applicable for higher role, that is a analyst star and senior analyst. If I'm talking about the analyst hiring, okay, so in the analyst hiring, first mostly there is a a technical test. Okay, second is a written English test, that is essay. Third is game based aptitude round. Okay, so or we can say that behavioral competency test totally depends on them. There is no coding round in the analyst hiring. Okay, and one most important point, according to different exam and hackathon, different process and pattern are there. Okay, so if they add coding in their examination, okay, so totally depends on them, but this is the most followed pattern. Okay, if I'm talking about the hiring process, so previously the hiring process will be goes like, first is assessment, pseudo code, multiple choice question, game based aptitude, behavioral competency, technical and HR interview. Okay, so after completing this, you have technical plus HR interview. Okay, and after completing technical and HR interview, there is a final LOI, letter of intent. Okay, so if I'm talking about the Capgemini on campus hiring process, so first your technical MCQ and written English test, that is of cognitive. Technical MCQ consists of data structure, algorithm, fundamental of database, cloud and networking. Written English test is a assessment which include essay writing on a given topic. After that, your assessment 2 will be there, in which coding assessment are there, in which you have options only in C, C++ and Java. Coding technical assessment is eligible and applicable for higher packages role only. Why I am mentioning this hiring process so much in the pattern? Okay, so the thing is, Capgemini visit the on campus or off campus in the upcoming month, so be prepared. Okay, be prepared 23, 24, 25 batch. Okay, when they will announce to the actual superset mass hiring, so you are be ready with your preparation. Okay, you can take reference from this pattern, so you can start preparing by yourself, and side by side you can focus on other companies as well. And after that, final assessment is third assessment, that is a spoken English assessment. The round will be mandatory and elimination round, read, write, written and speaking. Okay, listening. Assessment fourth is technical interview, that is mode of virtual. So this is a on campus process, in which first technical test will be there, plus written English test will be there. After that, your coding will be there, and third is your spoken English round will be there. Okay, and after fourth, that is a final technical plus most probably HR round. So this is the process of on campus. If I'm talking about the hiring process, so analyst analyst hiring will be in the two form. Okay, what about the two form? Analyst hiring is also conducted in the off campus. Okay, and analyst hiring is also conducted in the on campus. Same, the package varies. The package is 4 to 4.25 LPA. Okay, process is most probably same. If I'm talking about the senior analyst, okay, so there is a 7.5 LPA salary, and there is a process that analyst process plus coding round will be there. So you will be moved forward to senior analyst. If I'm talking about the software engineer and network engineer, so the package is 4 LPA or 4.25 LPA, and the process is same as analyst. Okay, Capgemini this year, Capgemini hire the women candidates. Okay, and for the 2024 batch, that's why we are waiting for the actual mass hiring, in which everyone is eligible. Okay, both male and female candidates, 2024, 23 and 25 batch. Okay, So this is related to role. If I'm talking about the analyst star role, so that is of 5.75 LPA. That is very different role, and it is only applicable in the on campus. So we like I am talking about the Capgemini. So you can prepare from our video. There is a pattern, there is a technical MCQ, game based aptitude, technical MCQ part 2, essay writing, Capgemini, Cognizant, game based aptitude question tricks. So everything we are sharing on our channel for free. I hope you like the video, and if you have any kind of doubt, let me know in the comment section. Generally Capgemini hire for these roles, okay, that I already shared, that analyst, senior analyst, software engineer and network engineer. But if they will announce the new hiring, so it will very good for all of you and for the freshers batch and the previous batch. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.